Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Mixy Videos by Sam. Today we are going to share garden dye project. So the importance of garden dye projects cannot be overstated. They provide numerous benefits for both your mental and physical well-being, the environment and your community. By creating a beautiful garden, you express your unique sense of beauty, promote biodiversity, reduce your carbon footprint, importance your mental health, and foster connections with others. Additionally, a well-stocked garden provides you with fresh, healthy food that is often more nutritious than store-bought produce and helps reduce food waste. Investing time and effort into creating a beautiful garden is a worthwhile endeavor that will reward you both in present and in the future. Do you know garden dye decoration is important for several reasons? Personal expression. A well-maintained garden is a reflection of your personality and taste. By creating a garden that suits your style and preferences, you can express your unique sense of beauty. Gardening promotes biodiversity by attracting a variety of insects, birds, and other wildlife. It also helps reduce the carbon footprint by reducing the need of artificial fertilizers and pesticides. Spending time in a well maintained garden can improve your mental and emotional well being. The act of gardening has been shown to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Gardening is a great way to connect with your neighbors and community. Many people enjoy sharing their gardens with friends and family, participating in local gardening clubs and events. A well stocked garden provides you with fresh, healthy food that is often more nutritious than store bought produce. Home ground vegetables are also less expensive and help reduce food waste. In conclusion, garden dye decoration is not only pleasing but also has numerous benefits for both your mental and physical well-being as well as the environment. By investing time and effort into creating a beautiful garden, you can enjoy the fruits of your labor and reap the rewards both in the present and in the future. I hope you liked today's video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Goodbye.